make some fluffy puto. First, we're gonna need 3/4 cups of water, half a cup of milk, half a cup of sugar, and mix it all in. Next, we need 2 cups of flour, 2 tablespoons baking powder. Mix it all in until well incorporated. Now, in a separate bowl, we need about 4 egg whites. Beat until bubbly and gradually add 1/3 cup of white sugar. Beat until firm peaks form like this, and then combine both mixture using folding method like so. The consistency should turn out like this. And now we need some puto molds. I like to put some cupcake liners on mine because it's easier for the puto to remove. Now we add in the butter and top it with cheese. Steam for about 15 to 18 minutes and then we're gonna have this. A fluffy puto. Trust me, this is so good. I swear.